Look around. AI is doing what humans once did. It writes, designs, drives, even diagnoses diseases now. So, is your job safe, or is it next? Millions of jobs are at risk. That's a hard truth. If your work is repetitive and predictable, machines do it faster, cheaper, no breaks, no fatigue. Entire industries can shrink overnight. It's real. But tech doesn't just kill jobs, it transforms them. The steam engine erased manual work but created factories. The internet killed newspapers but made online empires. AI is the same, not just replacing but creating work. If you adapt, new jobs are born every day. AI can copy, calculate, but it can't dream. It can't lead, inspire trust, or feel real empathy. It can't create what's never existed before. That's your edge. Your human spark keeps you needed. The rule now: work with AI, don't fear it. Automate what's boring, keep what's uniquely yours. Stand still, get replaced, adapt, stay unstoppable. So, will AI take your job? Maybe. But the real question is, will you do what AI can't? The future belongs to people who move faster than machines. Learn, adapt, lead, or get left behind. Your choice: control the AI or be controlled by it. The world's changing. Don't stand still. Like, share, subscribe. Stay ahead. Don't get replaced.